Hello all, today we have oven baked barbecue chicken thighs. So on our dish we have a few pieces of chicken thighs. In our bowl here we have half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder and a pinch of chili flakes or chili powder. Give that a good mix, try and get it in under the skin. When we have it done, then we'll place in a preheated oven at 180°C for 1 hour and 10 minutes. 15 minutes before we're fully done, we'll take it out and baste it in the juices. And we'll also give it a good brushing with some barbecue sauce. And we'll place it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so when we're done then we'll take them out, stick them on a plate, cover them and let them rest for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, take them up, chop them up and enjoy. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, give us a like. Thanks for watching, bye bye and take it easy.